Well, whether you're looking to learn a new skill, renew an old one, or you just want a pretty unique way to be more physically active, an adult ballet class might be just the thing you need.
It's all about the posture. Our friends at the Grand Rapids Ballet offers these classes. She was paying attention. We know this because the whole Morning Mix staff took a crash course. Take a look at this.
5, 6, 7, 8. So the arm side, that's good. Left, fondue.
So, you want to dance ballet? That was perfect, right? You've ever thought that, well, James Franklin from the Grand Rapids Ballet can help you because they have classes. Hi, James.
Hello.
That's pretty good plie, or what was it again, a jeté, or what?
Grand jeté, that was a grand jeté.
You could learn all of this at a class, what they're called, how to do them. Talk about what you do for anyone who wants to try ballet.
Yeah, we not only have our Grand Rapids Ballet School for kids from ages 3 on up through high school, but we have adult ballet classes for many adults who have taken ballet when they were young and want to pick it up again, but also pure beginners. Not like yourself, because I know you have a lot of experience, yes. But certainly anybody who's ever thought, maybe I would like to try a ballet class. Yeah, we have 3 ballet classes offered a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 6:30 p.m. Mm-hmm. And yeah, it's just a drop-in. You can come, try it out. We have a live pianist. We have teachers that, from our school, but also from our company who teach this. And there's a nice community of adults who like to take ballet.
Who do you find comes in for these classes? You mentioned people who danced ballet when they were younger, but I mean, this could be really just a good form of exercise and staying active.
Yeah, it's pretty much anybody. We have, young adults all the way up through, retirees, people who have desire to be a little bit more graceful or hold themselves with a little bit more erect posture, things like that. It's also just fun because you're dancing to music, you're learning a new skill, or maybe honing a skill that you might have learned when you were a kid and then dropped it and want to pick it up again and see where you're at and give yourself a little bit of exercise and fun and artistic expression at the same time.
Well, as you can tell, we're decked out in our exercise gear. So walk me through what today's class, and every class is going to kind of look like.
So you have so wonderfully volunteered to take a ballet class with me. So we're going to do a mini ballet class here, indicative of what a adult ballet class would be. We have a couple different levels maybe in our class today, so we'll kind of start at the beginning.
Yeah, I think the
we'll
level
show you
you're
the basics.
Looking for is the bottom rung. That's the one you want to start down here with us. But I mean, I'm assuming it starts with some stretching. You'll have some, learning some moves, some of the positions.
Yep. So we'll learn some of the terms. They're mostly in French. The ballet terms are in French. We'll start at the bar. We'll build our way up to bigger movements into grand jetés, perhaps at the end, like you. So you started at the end.
Oh, I did. I had the big grand jeté from the beginning. If I only knew what it was called. But that's the kind of stuff that you learn. You not only learn the moves, you learn what they're called, and of course you learn a new skill as well. How long does it last for? Do you have to sign up for like a session, or is it, as you mentioned, just drop in?
You can just drop in. I mean, obviously, like with anything, the more you do it, the better you will be at it, and the more comfortable you'll feel with it. So yeah, there's a group of people who come regularly, but certainly you're not held to any set schedule. You can just drop in. Yeah, I think it's about an hour and a half, typically, the ballet class. So a nice chunk of your day to feel good and feel strong.
Absolutely, and it's so convenient, too. You can just drop in any time that you want. Now, is there ever, like I've been to some dance classes with my kids, and at the end there's always a big performance. Do you ever get the people who take your class and put them in a little mini performance or a show?
I like that idea. So I think that if
not us.
you
I'm
came,
not talking about us.
We would
I
put
knew
you.
it.
Actually, you have been in a show. You were in our show of the Nutcracker. Thank you very much. So you do have experience already.
Right.
But I think that would be great. I mean, yeah, you have to have a little bit more commitment and consistency to stay in rehearsals and stuff, but that's definitely something that we could work towards.
When you're looking at someone just as a person, can you tell if they could make a good ballet dancer or not? I mean, because we've got our Morning Mix staff here, and looking at us, I don't have a lot of faith.
Well, this is a class with no judgment, no preconceptions. Every body type, every shape and size, you are welcome here. We are not, looking to, create professionals for the stage necessarily. Of course, you never know.
Right.
But no, this is a ballet class that is meant to be inclusive and for everyone. I will say that typically when you see somebody walking down the street with their hair pulled back and their legs turned out and a ballet bag, you're like, you can spot a dancer a mile away.
Well, hopefully by the end of today's lesson, we could at least take the first step towards becoming that dancer.
Yeah.
Take it easy on us today, will you?
I'll try.
Yeah, I don't believe you. All right, let's do this. Just a vision of grace.
We all are, aren't we?
Graceful. That's the word that comes to mind. Beginner classes, Mondays and Thursdays from 6:30 to 8. There's an intermediate class Tuesdays from 6:30 to 8. And as you heard, pre-registration is not required. It's just $15 a class, or you can get a punch card for 10 classes for just $120. Learn more at grballet.com.